Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ritika. I'm a second year medico at AIIMS Rishikesh, and this video will be about a major rank deciding factor, which is the mock test. And I'll be answering all your important questions like which mock test to give, what is the use and importance of doing mock test, and lastly, how can you improve your score and your rank using the mock test. So let's begin. So first of all, let's talk about what is the use and importance of giving mock test. तो देखो बहुत सिंपल सी बात है, सिलेबस सब लोग कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं एंड इवन आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर एंटायर सिलेबस यू विल नोटिस कि आपका स्कोर सिर्फ 500 या मैक्स टू मैक्स 550 तक स्टक है. सो उसके बाद नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये हो जाती है कि हम लोग मल्टीपल रिविजन्स करें एंड वी शुड गिव प्लेंटी ऑफ मॉक टेस्ट. ट्रस्ट मी, I mean it, literally plenty of mock test. And please don't run away from giving the test series. It's the only thing that's gonna improve your score and your marks and your confidence. Also, don't just go on writing any mock test. There are some factors that make a particular test series a good test series, which is firstly it should be NEET pattern, NCERT based. I repeat, NEET pattern, not JEE pattern. You guys don't need to do the high level questions because NEET is all about accuracy and not about solving high level questions. And secondly, it should give you the detailed analysis and solutions. It should give you the rank predictor. Not many test series have it, but please choose the ones that have it. And it should include all kind of questions like assertion reasons, matchup, statement based questions and all other questions that are in trend currently. So the next and the second most important question is which test series to give out of the plenty of options available out there. So मैंने पर्सनली आकाश और एलन के मॉक टेस्ट दिए थे बट दे वर नॉट वेरी फ्रूटफुल बिकॉज दे वर वे आउट ऑफ NCERT एंड आफ्टर द रिजल्ट्स आई यूज्ड टू फील कि यार मुझे कुछ आता ही नहीं. एंड ऑल्सो इन द लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स यू कैन नॉट अफोर्ड लूजिंग योर कॉन्फिडेंस. इट ऑल्सो डज प्ले अ मेजर रोल. सो यू कैन चूज एनी ऑनलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज विच इज NEET based and NCERT pattern, again the two most important factors. What I will suggest is the test book Pass Pro test series, and these people have 139 plus mock tests, 90 plus chapter wise tests, 44 plus PYQs and 20 plus full test. On top of that, you will be getting the detailed solution, an analysis, a rank predictor, and also you can attempt each test as many times you want. And all of this sounds expensive, but trust me, it is not. These people have a grand finale sale going on from 28th to 31st of December. And you will be getting the test series at just rupees 307. Yes, you heard me right. You just need to use my coupon code RTS and you're good to go. And I know since COVID times most of us prefer studying online, but trust me, mock test is something you should have a habit of writing offline also, because you need to get adjusted to the physical form of question paper and OMR sheets to avoid the bubbling mistakes. And what you can do to avoid it, which I also did, is to take out the printout of the question paper and also of the OMR sheet and give the test offline, and it's really gonna help. So don't take it lightly. Do practice some mock test offline also. So coming on to the last and the very important thing, how can you improve your score and your rank using the mock test? So I'm gonna tell you what I used to do. एक तो most of the people make this mistake कि people give mock test but they do not analyze it, which is a big blunder. You need to analyze your mock test. Like if you're giving the mock test for 3 hours, spend another 3 hours analyzing your mistakes, and that is how you will increase your score. So you need to make a mistake notebook or a mistake file. Just keep a record of all your mistakes and track down the pattern कि आप किस question में ज़्यादा frequently mistakes करते हो या किस type के questions, and then figure out कि आपको वो concept नहीं आता या आपने उस concept पर enough questions practice नहीं करे. And whatever is the case, target accordingly and you will definitely see your score improving. And this is something I always suggest to people, and I've literally got comments and messages on my Instagram and Telegram कि दीदी this really helped now in seeing improvements and my score and rank has improved. So please don't miss it out. It's a serious request, do not miss it out. So that's all from my side, and I hope this is gonna help you guys. And in case you have any queries, you can always write it down in the comment section. Till then, bye bye and all the best.